Hello, it's this time of day, 2018, that time of night, and I'm just listening to this here, and I'm watching the needles bounce like a lot of people like to watch. One of these. I still need to clean all the controls up here, because they're all scratchy and so on and so forth, but I just thought I'd let you so give me your money, alright? So, alright, well, I've had fun going through a whole lot of stuff there. Black tar on the... I put a 5-inch belt on here for those that were interested. 5-inch, okay? That's all it took. So, good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go finish working on this. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.